What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're taking a look here at the Aerodrome finance chart. It is the 14th of November. We are going to look at Aerodrome finance slash the US dollar pair, and this will be a daily chart. The price data is from Coinbase. We're also look at Bitcoin. Real quick, guys, I want to mention if you are new to the channel or you've been around in a while, make sure you go download your free trade tracker down in the video description. It's a downloadable, printable uh, trade tracker. You can keep track of your trades and some other data on that chart. So if you did not know about it, it's been there for a long time, but go ahead and download that, guys. I think it could benefit you guys. Keeping organized in the markets it's helped me in the past. Taking a look here at the Aero chart, we have another, so that would be the 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be the fifth red day if we close down. We'll see. What we have so far today is another inside day. Yesterday got pretty ugly in the Aero market. Looks like the down, actually not too bad, down 4.29. So far today, we don't have new daily lower lows. That's good. We don't have a daily higher high either. But if we could not take out yesterday's lows, that would be a good start. We have support at the infamous 128 and 129 level that has come into play many times in the past for the Aerodrome chart. So that is good to see. We have some new upper price targets we're going to talk about in just a moment. So once these markets stop printing daily lower lows, so we have a new low on Tuesday, a new low on Wednesday. So far, we don't have a new low on Thursday. Obviously, we'll see what happens. Once they stop printing lower lows, it kind of tells us that, hey, the market might be ready to flip back to the upside. You can see back in here, we have a new daily low on the 2nd of November, a new daily low on the 3rd of November, a new daily low on the 4th. But on the 5th, we have a daily higher low. We actually got a higher high as well. And that was a good spot to say, hey, look, the markets might be ready to flip to the upside just off of that. And then also here, as an added benefit, you have support on the neckline, but that led to a pretty big rally. So keep an eye on yesterday's lows. Those price on that was 126,610. And let's see if we can make a higher low today. That'd be nice. That would definitely make me, anyways, a little bit more bullish. Perhaps this pullback is coming to an end. And between the 128, 129 support, the daily higher low, we can start to talk about and look north, look upward once again. Welcome to the channel, guys. All the new subscribers, appreciate it. If you are not yet subscribed, there's a huge percentage of viewers who aren't, at like 80 some percent, might even be higher. Anyways, we have new price targets above the market. We have a new one. So we're still waiting for this market to obviously, one, rally, two, take us up to our next target, which would be 171.6. That, we'll see if it happens. Obviously, we have to rally and make new highs and etc. But that is still a valid target. Although we do have new daily targets up here, 160.22. That is a new target, guys. I put new next to it, so it stands out a little bit. Don't know how long I'll leave it there. But anyways, that is a new target that was not there in yesterday's video, 160.22. Also have another one, which is higher than the 171. Takes us up there to 173.87. 173.87. So exciting to see those. From where we're currently trading at on this Aero chart, $1.3270 up to that area would be the 160.22. That's a 23% move higher. 23% move higher. And then from where we're currently trading up to the 171, which has been on the chart for a while, 31%. 173.87 would be a 33% move higher. Just to put this in perspective, guys, if you finish the year up 30%, right? And you could do that year after year, compounded. You could definitely grow a small sum of money into a fortune. Okay. So one of the things on the trade tracker is it gives you areas, where's your stop loss, profit targets and stuff like that. So keeping, essentially it's plan your trade ahead of time and then just trade that plan. So if you can take the emotions out of, your finances and the market and your trades, makes it a whole lot easier. And that's the hard part. And that's why a lot of people can't do it, or at least not successful, or not as successful as they want to be, because they can't do that. They can't cut their losses, and then they can't get back in if the market actually continues in the original direction they thought, whether that's short or long. So anyways, just keep in perspective how far this thing has moved since we've been following for a while. I'm not even sure how long, but we've definitely been following it since down here where we had that nice breakout in the 61 cent area. And it's currently up about 110% since September. I mean, that's killer, guys. It's the internet is full of all kinds of fluff, and a lot of it's real and a lot of it's not. But just understand that this thing is up 110% just from this breakout here. So if you close your year right there and that was it, and you basically 100+% your money, it's pretty impressive. If we got the breakdown here from the head and shoulders, I was talking about a move all the way back down, and it could still happen. It all depends on what the ones in control and Bitcoin does down here to what would that be? Basically back to that 60 cent area. Where along this line here from the neckline break of $1.04-ish, $1.05-ish down to 60.61, where in here do you get out of the market and cut your losses? Are you willing to ride this thing from 129 all the way down to 60.61 cents? It's a decision you have to make. But the point is having that plan ahead of time, and then trading that plan if it starts to come into play. So we're going to wrap up this Aerodrome video here. Let's keep an eye on yesterday's lows. Again, those are a 126, 610. Let's hope Aero doesn't take those out today. If they do, start to look down here at 119, $1.1987 for support. And then 110 would be this purple line. If they do hold, all right, we can start to look north, and hopefully this thing can get ready to rally soon. But let's have both scenarios in mind, and you got to accept whatever one plays out. If we continue to make daily lower lows, the price is heading lower. If the market stops making daily lower lows, then we can start to look north and start to look for prices to rise. And if we really get a rally here, we'll take out the highs over here from the 10th. We'll start to look at our new targets: 160.22, 171.6, 173.87. Real quick into Bitcoin before we wrap this video up. Bitcoin's at 91,158. Another new high yesterday. Reversed quite a bit towards the end of the day. Today is a higher low, a lower high. It's an inside day. We still are looking for Bitcoin to get up to our next target, which would be 96,626. We're long the micro futures from down in the 74 area. And we'll see how long that lasts. We could be in it for a while if Bitcoin's really going to rise here. But at some point, we'll get a smackdown. We'll get some volatility back to the downside. So we'll see. But so far, so good. Next target, 96,626. Guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Join us here. Don't forget to download your trade tracker. Of course, not financial advice. And I'll catch you in the next one.